This is a quick video on what kind of carpet spot cleaning solutions we should be using in office buildings for the Buffalo, New York market. This covers Erie County and Buffalo metro area. And this is a common question that building managers and owners ask. What kind of carpet spot cleaning solution should we be using when we have a coffee spill, a beverage spill? This is a pretty common thing that happens in office buildings almost every day, definitely on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. And the answer is that commercial carpet is usually treated with a protector treatment to give it a protection against these common food and beverage stains. The big question is with deciding what kind of carpet spot cleaning solution to use is the pH level. If you use a spot cleaning solution with a pH higher than 10, that can break down this treatment, which can make that stain permanent. That's why it's always important to look at the label. That is often it'll say on the label of the spot cleaner, or you can ask your distributor or supplier, whoever you purchase these from, what the pH levels. And always you can go to the company website and look up what is the pH level. We want to keep it for a spot cleaner, especially for everyday kind of spot cleaning. We want to keep the pH level either 10 or below. This is right around the range where the carpet manufacturers say not to go over, because it'll start to break down this protective treatment that you paid for initially. Our company is called Method Clean Solutions, and my name is Shane Dubell, and this was just a quick little tip on carpet spotter and how to remove common coffee and beverage stains for office buildings.